How y'all doing? Y'all sure y'all good? How y'all doing now? Yeah, how about now? Okay. See, first off, I'd like y'all to give it up for my boy Dustin right here. He didn't have to play for us, but he did. I appreciate that. And of course, y'all know my brother Chris Lynch. Give it up to him. So today we got a couple songs that we're going to perform for you. The first one is actually an original. It's written by a brother of ours named Aaron. It's called Isolation. So yeah, we're going to perform that for you. Tell me where you wanna go from here, 'cause I just been waiting here like this, standing here just trying to focus on a bigger picture we can see. Why can't we just get along? Why must we always hurt someone? I think it's time for me to think of where I should be. I can't whistle, so that's why, never learned. Is it sad that I think he was like 7 years old at the time, he taught me how to whistle just a little bit, my 7-year-old nephew. Sad life, isn't it? I appreciate that. I was trying to.
It's got no card. This card isn't here.
Alright, so for our second song, pretty sure everybody heard the news about the beloved Prince passing. Yeah, R.I.P. to the GOAT. So we're just gonna perform a song of his. It's in remembrance of him, because we grew up listening to that guy. Him and Michael Jackson was like they were two goats, and they were both gone. So it's like a sad life now, but We're just gonna sing a song. We're performing Purple Rain. So feel free to sing along if you know the song. How you doing, Alicia? I think I heard my mom laughing. Yeah, that's her. Test, test. There we go. Never meant to cause you any sorrow. Never meant to cause you any pain. Only wanted one time to see you laughing. Only wanna see you laughing in that purple rain. Purple rain, purple rain. You know the song? I'll sing along with them. Purple rain, purple rain. Purple rain, purple. Get the lighters in the air. Phones in the air. Let's wave around. There we go. Only wanna see you laughing in that purple rain. I never wanted to be your weekend love. Just wanted to be some kind of friend. And baby, I could never steal from